In front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you need to hold your search bar and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, select Remove and wait for the second pop-up. In it, hit Remove again and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. Quick tip, if you ever wanna restore it, you can do that by pinching your display, and this way accessing all of those options at the bottom. Now select Cards, scroll to find Google, or click on Search Cards and type in Google here. Then click on it and swipe to the left under Google to access Search Bar Widget. When you find it, click on it, hold it and place it wherever you want to. Then let go and tap on your screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!